Okay, let's begin. Hey bunnies, welcome to another video. For today's video, as you can see from the title, we're going to be talking about my birthday festivities. I am now 35 years old, living, striving, flirty, having fun, yeah, all these good things. So on my birthday, I got so much love, so many messages, so many texts, DMs, posts, phone calls, money. Loved that for me. So thank you to everyone who sent love, sent moolah, sent best wishes. I appreciate every single one of you, from Facebook to Twitter to Instagram to text to WhatsApp to Venmo to Zelle to Cash App. I appreciate all of you so much. Okay, so that's how we're starting it, with gratitude. The next big thing that happened is that I launched my book. These I can't even speak. This book has been in the works for so long, and it was literally just me being lazy and not completing it. And I wanted it to drop February of this year for Valentine's Day, and that didn't happen. So it's like, you know what? I feel like my 35th birthday would be the perfect time to release it. So the relationship Bible is now out. It is on my website, kissyface.com, KSSYFVCE. It's under the books tab. You will see this, the very first one is only $10. Okay. It covers everything from the talking to the dating to the exclusive phase. I cover monogamy, polygamy, polyamory, polyandry, and open relationships, just, a little bit. I talk about my hard and fast rules for each stage. It was edited by my friend Janae. I love her so much. But yeah, that book is now out. I really hope you guys enjoy it. I hope it reaches who it's supposed to reach. I hope it helps who it's supposed to help. If you're dating just for fun, this book might not be the book for you. But if you're dating for commitment, you want longevity, you want, some stability, then this is your book. All right. And then I came to the I came to the realization today that my books are kind of like self-help books. I don't know if that was really my goal or, whatever, but that's where we are. That's what we're doing. So yeah, the relationship Bible is now out on the website, kissyface.com. Super proud of that. So proud of myself for making that happen. Right now we're working on the next goal. I made a joke that I was working on my next book, which honestly, I'm never stop working on books. Like I have ideas. I have a whole thing of notes with different rollouts that I want to do for different books that I want to come out with, and they're all pretty much self-help books. But as I'm taking notes and jotting stuff down, the next goal, the next focus is creating this content creator space, which it kind of has me nervous, but if your goals don't scare you, they're not big enough. And I feel like this is like my biggest goal. So hopefully when I'm recording for my 36th birthday recap, it's in my creator space. Okay. So that's a that. My best friend from high school, she lives in Texas. She flew down for the weekend, so she was with me from Wednesday till Sunday. Love her so much. We had such an amazing time. We haven't seen each other in over a year, because usually she comes down like every year. She didn't come down last year, if I'm not mistaken. She was here this year, and that's my girl. I love her so much, and we had so much fun. And then funny enough, on the Saturday night, I want to say, one of my other best friends from high school, she lives in Tampa, she was actually in town the same, so she was like, I'm in town, I'm, whatever. I'm like, yo, come over. I didn't tell her that my other best friend was here. So when she showed up and saw her, it was a good time. We had so much fun. We talked, we laughed, we didn't cry, thankfully. But it was a really good night. Yeah, I enjoyed my friends. I love my friends. I enjoyed my friends. The same Wednesday night. Oh my gosh. Okay. So this is my first birthday where I'm actually single. My first in my adult life since turning 18, actually. I've always had a boyfriend, or I've always been in a relationship. So this is my very first birthday where I wasn't in a relationship, and I wanted to take myself out for dinner, and that's exactly what I did. I went to Del Frisco. I had my cute little solo date. I ordered it's Del Frisco is my favorite restaurant because they serve Italian American type dishes. The food is always good, the drinks are always good, the service is always good, the ambiance is always good, so I just keep going. It just is what it is. I don't feel pressured to look or dress a certain way, even though yes, you do want to dress up, and I did. I wore a red satin spaghetti strap dress and these black mules with a big bow on the front. I felt like, you know, the 90s bombshell dream girl. That was the goal, to live up my 90s bombshell fantasy, and I think I achieved that. So that was the look. So like I said, I had the jumbo crab cake, jumbo lump crab cake, all for myself. That was so good. It's supposed to be a Cheryl, but I had it for myself. I had the 8-ounce filet mignon as usual, and I had their truffle mac and cheese. I didn't get it with the lobster because I didn't want all of that. But you do have the option to add lobster if you are like, you know, a seafood girly, and you do feel like, you know, you want little surf and turf action going on there. But yeah, and then for my drink, I had a glass of Moscato and a Hennessy neat. I should have asked for the Hennessy straight, but I haven't had this drink in so long, I completely forgot that I prefer to have my Hennessy straight opposed to neat. If you don't know what the difference is, neat means you just pour it directly from the bottle into a glass and serve it, you know, as a shot or whatever. And then straight is where it is chilled and then served. So then shake it up in a shaker with ice and then pour it into the glass. And I just feel like when it's cold on the cold glass of wine, it just pairs better and it stays colder longer. But regardless of the fact, I did enjoy my Moscato and Hennessy. I enjoyed my dinner. It took me a while to get to Valet because this is my first time like driving myself there. So figuring out how the directions took me into the parking garage. I'm like, I don't want to go to the parking garage. I want to go to Valet, because if I decide to stay there for 5 hours, it's still a flat rate at Valet. Like, I don't like parking garages like at all. So it took me a good like 5 minutes to figure out how to get to the Valet, because it had me on the opposite side of the road. So I was like U-turning in the middle of the people in road. Anyways, so after dinner I came home and then I got ready for a party. If you follow me on Instagram, you know what party this is. It's called Kiss and Tell. It is such like, it's such a dance hall party. It's very much like Racha dance hall, but I wanted to live my stripper fantasy for that night, for that party, because it was a pajama party. So the girls were there in their little rompas and their little two-piece sets and whatever, but I came out in this red fishnet play suit thing that I got from the adult store. And I wore the same mules with a big black bow on the front. My best friend was there. All my friends were there. Okay, not all my friends were there. Let me not say that. Not all my friends were there, but my closest friends were there. Not even. Let me take that back. My best friend from Texas was there. Foodie Boo was there. Those are my, you know, my girls. Tiana was there, and I'm actually supposed to be going out tonight to celebrate Tiana's birthday. She's also a Virgo. Her birthday was yesterday, so we're like 6 days apart, which is... And Sharima was there. How could I forget my good gal Rima? And so yeah, I'm going out tonight to celebrate her. And what else did I want to say about that night? Okay, yeah, so at the party, Tiana got me flowers. You know, I'm a flower girl. I'm a certified flower girl. I'm a sucker for flowers. For flowers. So she got me 2 bouquets of roses. I love them so much. They're on my dining table right now. Foodie Boo got me a nice big cake, a pink cake with like candy on the inside. I was so surprised. We had bottle service, of course, and when they came out with the bottle and the cake, it was like, it was so cute. It was so sweet. I felt so loved in the moment. I felt so loved the entire night. Like, my birthday, I enjoyed my entire birthday weekend. This party always mashed you up, so I made sure I took the Thursday to myself. The Thursday I slept. Me and my friend, me and Rolando, we went and we got breakfast at First Watch, came home and I slept. No, I'm lying. I had to go pick up the kids from school. Anyways, I slept most of the day, you know, smoked my little ganja, had breakfast, got the boys, came home, and I think I took another nap. Like, I was so tuckered out. I don't know how I'm going to survive tomorrow because I'm sorry, I'm probably gonna have to leave early tonight. When I go, I'm just, I don't know. I don't even know what I'm wearing. Oh my gosh. Anyways, so that was the Wednesday night. That was also the Thursday. I said we went to First Watch. On Friday, what did we do on Friday? What did we do on Friday? I don't think we did anything on Friday. Did we do anything on Friday? I think we just stayed home and drank on Friday. What did we do on Friday? And same thing Saturday. What is Saturday? I promise you, we were drunk the entire weekend. We were drunk the entire weekend. Okay? Okay. So that's my birthday. That's what happened. If you're a Virgo, let me know in the comment section below. Happy birthday to you. Today's your birthday. Pew pew pew. Love you lots. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you feel like I should have mentioned something that I did not mention, please leave in the comment section below. Yeah. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face. Bye.